2.
इधर जरा रुक जाइए जी। You see, इस पूरी controversy जो हमारे सामने है, this is where you see जहाँ पे ये सारा crisis या controversy create हुई है. One political party has been virtually eliminated by the Election Commission. Had it not been done, there would have been no controversy.
I'll turn to it later, my lord. Of course, I've noticed my lord's observation and I have been taking notes. 2. The percentum share of each political party shall be worked out with reference to total number of general seats in the National Assembly or, as the case may be, the respective provincial assemblies.
This actually stands quite as the leadership is pointing out, that 95-2 seems to be inconsistent with 95-4-2.
95-2 seems to be consistent. Inconsistent. अच्छा.
इधर कहीं नहीं कह रहा कि exclude कर दो.
तो उसका objective, अब उसका result क्या होगा? If we go by what
इसको पूरा पढ़ लें, आगे भी बड़ा important है. So इधर 2 में तो हो गया the percentage share of each political party shall be.
In calculating the number of seats, the highest fraction shall be taken as 1 seat till the allocation of total reserved seats in the National Assembly is concerned. Now, this is important also. All seats have to be allocated. So please park it aside, but all seats have to be allocated. Let's move on to 4. The seats reserved for non-Muslims and women shall be divided among the political parties on the basis of their percentum share as worked out in sub-rule 2 and in order of priority of the names of candidates mentioned in the party list.
So if you could work out a real life problem on the basis of 94, हमें कोई calculation करके दिखा देते तो ज़्यादा आसान हो.
मैं इसकी आपको एक अभी let's 2 hypotheticals में कर लेते हैं. वैसे तो ये जो 2002 वाला दिखाया था वो उसका रिस्पांस है जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, उसको अगर आप देखेंगे तो उसका ये इस चीज का आंसर आ जाएगा वहां पे, बट मैं अभी के भी जो है वो भी हम वर्कआउट कर लेते हैं. But my lords will bear at least or will at least appreciate that no seat, reserved seat can be left vacant. मैं उसके ऊपर separately आऊँगा. I have my lords just.
This issue can be easily resolved because this is actually based in mathematics of it. So if 94 में कोई example लेके आप पहले percentum calculate करके फिर fraction calculate, हमें actually उसकी flow बता दें तो समझ आ जाएगा.
जी जरा देख लेना, ये 2002 वाला देख लें, हम इसको 2024 पे भी अप्लाई करें.
किधर है?
ये अभी मैंने आपको दिया, एक single page आया आपके पास. Now this is the 10 reserved seats which were being filled.
2018 का जो था, that was the first general election under this new system. ये जो Election Act 2017
right
और Election Rule 2018
का
उसमें कोई the very peculiar problem that we are facing on the facts, I mean, that apparently did not exist. And presumably all the seats were reserved seats were filled in.
Yes, despite the independence.
So, उसका हमें जरा kindly example देना. Maybe that may be better because then we can ease more readily. अब 2002 का पता नहीं अब क्या था.
उसका मैं थोड़ा सा इसलिए कह रहा हूँ वो आपको
2018 का जो under the new regime electoral regime आया और इसपे apparently मेरा मतलब इस किस्म का कोई
मतलब हम इसमें actually आज जो हमारी position है ना उसकी actual figures लेके आप बना दे पंजाब का.
मैं इसको तो जरा इसको let me put it differently.
थोड़ा सा है ना उसमें आप कह रहे हैं कि 5% माइनस हो गया.
इसमें अटॉर्नी जनरल
लेकिन ये जो प्रोविजन
अटॉर्नी जनरल
क्रिएट हो रही है.
इलेक्शन कमीशन ने इसी रूल के तहत कैलकुलेट की थी इनिशियली SIC की भी काउंट करके, लेकिन उन्होंने उसको एलोकेट नहीं की थी because the matter was sub judice.
And the status of the party was not clear yet at that time.
That in itself, in this election 2024, these, by treating SIC as a political party, they had made this allocations and distribution according to this rule.
My lord, brief response. When the first time allocation was made, the status, from what I have seen and from the record, the status of SIC as a political party was not clear for the purpose of 51(6). That decision on the status of that party being entitled or not to the reserved seats was taken later on, and then when that decision was taken and they were treated as independents, Rule 94 read with Rule 95(2) was applied. Now let me take a pause here. I'll come back to what my lord has observed that 2018 is something we should look at, but the overarching
Rule 92 देखें please. That's where this chapter starts. Rule 92.
Which sub rule or which rule? Sub rule?
Sub rule 6. But read the heading first.
Elections to reserve seats in National Assembly, Chapter 6.
आगे पढ़े ना,
Yes.
92.
Election to seats reserved for women and non-Muslims.
And then come to sub rule 6.
Yes. Ji. For the purpose of this rule, the expression total number of general seats won by a political party shall include the independent returned candidate or candidates who may duly join political party within 3 days of the publication in the official gazette of the names of the returned candidates. This is the
The
proviso.
formula doesn't say that you will deduct. I mean, what I'm trying to understand is that you want us to take out 95-2 and read it along with 94 and 92 to say that when calculating the total number of seats won, we will deduct the seats of the independents.
No, that's not what I meant. What I meant was that
A minus
the
B
proviso.
तो यही है ना?
जी नहीं, जो B है अगर आप उसकी explanation देखेंगे, जो B जो है वो page.
Total number of independent return candidates.
जी, total number of who do not join a contesting political party within a prescribed period of 3 days. So this is what the proviso to sub rule 2 of 95 also says, that so those independents who within 3 days join a political party, they cease to be independents for the purposes of 94 read with 95-2, they shall not be excluded from the total number of general seats. It is only those who retain or who are independent.
The status would be that of the members of that party which those independent joins.
तो उस वक्त वो हो जाएगा जब वो पार्टी ज्वाइन करेंगे, बट अगर वो पार्टी ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे या नहीं कर सकते हैं तो फिर उनका स्टेटस इंडिपेंडेंट ही ट्रीट होगा फॉर द पर्पसेस ऑफ वर्किंग आउट द फॉर्मूला ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हिच द प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इज टू बी एंश्योर्ड. What I am, अब एक दफा जरा दोबारा देखिएगा इसको 2002 को, because I understand that my lord's point was that after 2018 elections was preceded by this 2017 act.
That was the first general election, and it did not have the kind of dispute we have before us today. And as you are saying, all the seats, reserved seats, were filled in. So as far as present,
I'll place it.
That's like the vanilla type thing, you know. कोई झगड़ा नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, सिंबल मिल गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, इलेक्शन हो गया.
वो एक सेपरेट पार्ट है.
आप अभी वो नहीं, उसमें ये रूल लगे होंगे ना.
जी मैं
समझने में आसानी होगी. मैं सिर्फ इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, आप हमें बात जो समझाना चाह रहे हैं, मैं उस जरिए से ज्यादा बेहतर समझ.
आपने इनको इंडिपेंडेंट ट्रीट किया है ना.
ECP has, yes.
SIC वालों को.
जी.
अगर ये इंडिपेंडेंट आज भी हैं तो ये सब रूल 2 के मुताबिक तो ये शामिल हो ही नहीं सकते थे, तो इनको तो आप एक्सक्लूड करते ना.
तो they were excluded, sir.
नहीं, जो सीटें हैं वो तो आपने नहीं, उनकी सीटें तो आपने शामिल कर ली है ना देने के लिए दूसरों को.
सर नहीं, शामिल नहीं की हैं.
नहीं की हैं.
मैं जरा एक्सप्लेन करूं सर.
तो इंडिपेंडेंट पे सीट्स बनती थी, जो टोटल आपने रिजर्व सीट बनाई है वो इंडिपेंडेंट को अगर आप माइनस कर दें तो कम नहीं हो जाएंगी.
सर नहीं, ये
प्रोपोर्शनल जो आपका रिप्रेजेंटेशन सिस्टम है, जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को आपने दिए हैं, वो तो आप इनको शामिल नहीं कर रहे हैं ना. आप कह रहे हैं आप इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, मगर इनके हिस्सा आपने दूसरों को दे दिया है.
वो इसलिए अब मैं वापस आपको उस बात पर लेकर जाऊंगा.
मेरे जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है रूल 2 की, तो जो अगर इंडिपेंडेंट ज्वाइन नहीं करता तो वो शामिल ही नहीं होगा रेस.
तो वो लिस्ट में नहीं सर, वो लिस्ट
3 में शामिल होगा प्रोविजो में. वो कहता है कि हाँ शामिल हो गए, प्रोविजो को फिर सैंक्शन करता है कि यस,
वो अगर आप if you may kindly go back,
then it will be included, otherwise they will be excluded.
जी, from the total number of general seats.
जनरल सीट से जब वो एक्सक्लूड हो गए तो शेयर कैसे बन रहा है?
तो मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ.
नहीं बन सकता ना प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन
फार्मूला में सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैविंग द मेंबर्स, बस वही होना.
तो सर मैं इसको
फॉर द टोटल, मैं इस पे क्लियर नहीं हूं, प्लीज
मैं जरा मैं इस पे क्लियर करता हूं सर. पहला तो ये प्रिंसिपल अगर क्लियर हो जाए that the objective being to fill the reserved seats, all the reserved seats, one on the political parties list is 2.
That premise on which you building this argument is that as if this is a very large principle that they have to be filled.